So I have one set made, 150 watts, one up, one down, smaller U profiles, 10 strips. Existing lights, CRI 97 pattern, the diffusion pattern. Every 10 centimeters you can cut it. Soldering here. Okay. The colors look really pleasing. These reds. But here it's pretty nice. One extra small. Oh no, I forgot to connect one. One is not working. Okay. This is the new panel from the top. From the side, the same way as the usual desk lights work. This is the detail you can see. And now I'm going to switch. I think it's, I don't know, I think the new one is nicer. This is the old light. This is the old light, only one light. I'm not sure. Okay. So I put the new one in the same position as the old one. Exactly in the same place. The new one looks much better. Wow, that's the old light. Zooming in now. This is the old light. Color temperature to 3000. Wow, I think it's much better than new one. I will check later, but I think it's pretty obvious. Awful. Yeah, mounted with the same on this side. I think now it's much better. So if you see now, colors are as they should be. Yeah, I think it looks really nice.